Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 22nd April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which company has launched a free tool called Video Builder to create short YouTube video? So this is done by Google. Google headquarters present in San Francisco, USA. Its CEO is Sundar Pichai. And Google has recently launched Talkback app for the blind person. Question number 2. Which trade body has urged the government to include products like laptop and routers to facilitate work from home amid the lockdown in the list of essential items? So this is done by NASCOM. NASCOM full form is National Association of Software and Service Companies. Its headquarters present in Noida, UP. Debjani Ghosh is its president. Question number 3. Rudra Tej Singh passed away in April 2020. He was the president and CEO of which company? So he was the president and CEO of BMW India, whose headquarters present in Chennai. Question number 4. Which state has become the first zero COVID-19 state in the country, with the last 7 positive cases also turning negative? So it is Goa. So some GK related to Goa. Goa capital is Panaji. Pramod Sawant is its CM and Satyapal Malik is its governor. And Goa is the first state to treat the patients with Ayurveda along with allopathy. Question number 5. Which state government has joined hand with the giant Google to form geotech community kitchens in the state? So this is done by Uttar Pradesh. So some GK related to Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Yogi Adityanath is its chief minister and Anandiben Patel is its governor. Question number 6. Fitch Solution has slashed India's economic growth forecast to how much percentage of the financial year 2020-21? So this is 1.8. So previously they have assumed it will be 4.6%, but they reduced to 1.8%. Some GK related to Fitch. Fitch was formed on 1914 and Paul Taylor is its CEO. Question number 7. Facebook has partnered with an Indian fact-checking website, Boom, for a third-party fact-checking system in which country? So it is in Bangladesh to correct the fake news. So some GK related to Facebook. Facebook headquarters present in San Francisco. Mark Zuckerberg is its president. And some GK related to Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka. Its currency is Dhaka. And Sheikh Hasina is its prime minister. Question number 8. The UN Chinese Language Day is observed annually on which date? So it is on April 20 each year. So what is UNESCO stand for? So UNESCO stand for United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So it was formed on 4th November 1946. Its headquarters present in Paris. Question number 9. Which Indian footballer has been featured in the We Will Win campaign for FIFA? So it is Baichung Bhutia. So some GK related to FIFA. FIFA was formed on 21st May 1904 and its headquarters present in Zurich, Switzerland. Gianni Infantino is its president. Question number 10. Which IIT institution is developing a magnetic RAM to enable higher data storage? So this is done by IIT Mandi. Question number 11. Which state has decided to extend the lockdown period in the state till May 7 and not to give any relaxation to any sector from 20 April. So this is done by Telangana government. So some GK to Telangana. Telangana capital is Hyderabad. KC Rao is its chief minister, and Tamilisai Soundararajan is its governor. Question number 12. Samir Goswami, who passed away recently, was a renowned journalist. Question number 13. Which among the following has launched the order book inventories and the capital utilization survey on manufacturing sector? So this is done by Reserve Bank of India. Some GK to Reserve Bank of India. It was formed on 1st April 1935. Shaktikant Das is its governor and its headquarters present in Mumbai. Question number 14. The CM of which state has announced a scale of cash assistance that will be rupees 20,000 for a patient, 4,000 for a professional or working person, and 3,000 for a student? So this is done by Nagaland CM, and his name is Nephew Rio. Nagaland capital is Kohima, and R.N. Ravi is its governor. Question 15. In Odisha, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik dedicated how many standalone COVID-19 hospital through video conferencing? So this is 5 hospital. Question number 16. Researcher from which institute has developed a global model to predict the ionospheric electron density with larger data coverage? So this is done by Indian Institute of Geomagnetism, Navi Mumbai. Question number 17. When is the World Creativity and Innovation Day observed? So it is observed on 21st April. Question number 18. Which bank has launched voice assistant based banking service for its customer? So this is done by ICICI Bank, and Sandeep Bakshi is its CEO. Question number 19. Who claimed a second victory in the Formula 1 Esports Virtual Grand Prix Championship? So it is won by Charles Leclerc, and he was the driver of Ferrari. A large number of nests of rare leatherback sea turtles were spotted in the now empty beaches of which country amid the novel coronavirus pandemic? So it is in Thailand. So some GK to Thailand. Thailand capital is Bangkok, and baht is its currency. So these leatherback sea turtles are the world's largest sea turtles. Question number 21. Which of the following is the largest free meal program by any corporate foundation globally? So it is Mission Anna Seva, and it is done by Reliance. Question number 22. Facebook has finally stepped into the gaming world officially by launching its first game streaming app, Facebook Gaming. The app has been under development in which countries for 18 months? So it is in South American zone. So this is the current affairs of 22nd April 2020. I will attach this PDF in the description box. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.